Have you ever seen an equation like this and thought, whoa, that looks complicated? Well, don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll see how to break it into simple pieces using a method called factoring. So, quadratics usually take on the form of x squared plus bx plus c. And factoring is all about taking the factors of c to make two separate binomials of x plus n and x plus m. And the rule is that these factors of c have to also add up to b, our coefficient. And notice when we expand these two binomials here, we get x squared plus m plus n x plus m n. And here we can see that our constant c turns into m n, and our coefficient of b turns into m plus n. So the general rule is that what multiplies to c must add to b. Let's try an example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. First, let's try to find which pair of numbers multiplies to 6. Well, we've got 1 and 6, and 2 and 3. Now let's see which one of these pairs adds to our coefficient, which is 5. And that would be 2 and 3. So now that we have our pair, we can make two separate binomials with them in the format of x plus each number in that pair. And we get x plus 2 and x plus 3. And this is our final factored form. Now let's try with one more example. X squared minus 7x plus 12. Here we can start by finding two numbers that multiply to 12, but also add to negative 7. And these two numbers must both be negative, because our coefficient, negative 7, is a negative number. And our ordered pair will be negative 3 and negative 4, because they add to negative 7. So with these two numbers, we can build our binomial pair in the same format. Note that here we use minus signs because both the numbers are negative. And this is our final factored form.